Welcome back, No Pick is Safe. I got 2 packs out of a vending machine. We have Mega Evolutions and Surging Sparks. See if we can get anything good. I haven't opened Pokemon cards probably 4 weeks. Darkness, Onyx, Snow, Magnemite, Lopunny, Shiftry, Boss's Orders, Stonejourner, Reverse Bunary, Reverse Greavard, and a Dialga. So, nothing in the Mega. Surging Sparks. Grass. Sizzlipede. Applin. Duraludon. Meryl. Magnezone. Cool looking card. Goldengo. Dusk Ball. Reverse Mispirit. Reverse Alolan Doug Trio. And Chin Pow, I think. All right, so vending machine starting off not great, but we have a lot of stuff to open. So be back soon.